So this tile here has got to be cut a little bit, not quite as much as the other one. Cut a little bit of a semicircle in there and cut this corner off here. Okay, now I got this guy cut out a little bit. So now I'm ready to set the tile. So now I have those two sheets of tile set around the drain hole. And where you see those spacers, those channels for the grout line are too narrow. They need to be widened. So I'm going to widen those guys. And then the one over there in the corner, that one I didn't notice this after I set it. You see on that left corner it dips down. It's not a uniform height. So I'm going to cut that one out of there and replace it. Okay, let's see if I can get that guy cut out of there. Just that guy out of there. Yep, got part of it. So I got that tile out of there. And when you see the white, that's where I chipped up some of the cement. So I'm going to patch that little spot, put 2 coats of sealer, and then reseat another tile there.